Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And you all thought I wouldn't post. I was out all day, of course. I am tired. I wouldn't post, but I am posting still. Because I am consistent like that. Rome was not built in a day, and neither was my YouTube channel. So, I was really tired, but I am still recording. Not because I am obligated to, but I really wanted to because I missed you guys, and it has kind of become a ritual for me to talk to my camera, which is you guys. So I was just like, adhura adhura sa lag raha hai yaar. Also, I had a lot of thoughts, which I don't want to like just go essay away from my brain without like putting them out there. I have started noting it down though. Like every time I have a thought kind of which I wanna talk about, I note it down on my notes app, or I note it down on like a notebook, which we have seen. I do that in between the video also because that's how my brain works. But right now I'm like so tired. That's why the lighting also is nightling. लाइटें dim है आज dim लाइटें हैं आज yellow क्या कहते हैं इसको dim. What do we? I don't know यार, off white whatever, क्योंकि vibes और माहौल थोड़ा dim है, मतलब not in a bad way though, like in a mellow way. I woke up, I had been little bit like just like कल से मेरे को हो रहा था कि 5, because I have a hangout planned for like 5 days including today, so I was just like how will I do this. This is a lot of everybody is like from a different genre. I don't know how do I make sense. Today I met a college friend who was my junior, so that genre. Tomorrow I'm meeting an online friend, that's a different thing. Parso I'm meeting a friend who was my school senior, but we became friends after school, so that is different. Then on Saturday I'm meeting whoever I'm meeting on Saturday I'm meeting an online friend from 2020 who's just a very close friend to me. And then Sunday I'm meeting a college friend but who's my senior. So everybody's like, do you get it? Like it's like a lot of different things, because obviously I have a lot of things to talk about to everybody, but it's different things, so I have to, a lot of energy is just going to go by, which is good also because I love my friends and I love talking to them, but like back to back is a lot. And but yeah, I woke up with that energy only. I was like already kind of tired, and you know it's so hot in Delhi, so I was like मेरे को नहीं जाना बाहर, प्लीज़ मेरे घर आके हैंग आउट कर लो, प्लीज़. बट वोक अप थोड़ा सा लेट एंड फटाफट मैंने सब कुछ किया, क्योंकि आई हैव नेवर बिन लेट टू अ हैंग आउट, लाइक नेवर. आई एम नेवर द पर्सन हु अराइव्स लेट. आई विल वेट फॉर यू फॉर 10 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, but I will never be entering when you have already been there. एक बारी I was too close to, like this person was about to reach the place and उसको ऑटो नहीं मिला. Universe was on my side. I've never been late to any friendship hangout, I think, as long as I can remember. If बहुत पुराना है, it's there. इस साल तो मैंने नहीं करा, last year भी नहीं करा, मतलब it's very rare. Because I don't like being late. I think one thing my dad has instilled in me is that punctuality is very important. No matter where you are going, is the most important thing. There are a lot of people who are just perpetually late. It's fine. I think it's a problem with a lot of people, and it's not just about makeup or like men who say women can't. It's just some things happen in life where you just forget time, okay, and that's a different story. But I don't like to be late, and I reached at the metro station. Actually, I met my friend there, and then we went to Salajam together. Then we sat and we talked a lot, because this friend, so basically she's my college friend, so we have met in college but we have never really hung out. We became friends like on Instagram, like more talking on Instagram, and I left college last year, so we became friends recently, but a more friendship. Do I make sense? The level of friendship has increased in the past 1 year, and we have never met in that 1 year. So we met for the first time low-key, and then we talked so much about every single thing. I think we talked about every single topic that exists at this point. Uske baad we got some food, and I was very like, one thing I wanted to talk about is I used to feel very fake and very pretentious and very like I'm trying to be somebody else, when I used to try to be in the moment and notice things and try to be, you know, philosophical or whatever, or deep about things. I used to feel fake. I don't anymore. Like, I feel things deeply, and I think about every single thing that happens around me. For example, today when we were having chicken fingers, they got us 5 chicken fingers and we were 2 people, so 2 done. मैं तो भूखा हूँ, मैं जल्दी खा लेता हूँ, तो मैंने वो अपने खा लिए, उसने भी फिर धीरे धीरे 2 खाए, फिर लास्ट वाला बचा तो मैंने उसको हाफ करके मैंने प्लेट में वापस रख दिया और मैं खा लिया अपना हाफ. सो आई जस्ट रियलाइज लाइक हाउ स्वीट इज दैट टू डू. लाइक मैं अपनी तारीफ क्यों कर रहा हूँ, मतलब इन जनरल इफ समवन डज दैट फॉर यू, और लाइक just when you have 7 slices of pizza and like you are 2 people, then you cut the pizza in half or you give the slice to somebody like you love, if you love them. Like, I think that's such a thoughtful gesture, even though I ate that last part because like she was not eating. I was eyeing that. I was like कब खाएगी, खा ले भाई खा ले. तो उसने 15 मिनट तक नहीं खाया and I was like चल भाई ठंडा हो रहा है, मैंने खा लिया. ठंडा हो रहा था खाना यार. गाइस, ठंडा थोड़ी वेस्ट हो जाता. नीज रिवील, ब्रेन रिवील. कल मेरा घुटने में किसी ने बोला था, जब मेरे को चोट लगी ना, मेरे को जब चोट लगी थी तो उन्होंने बोला ओ माय गॉड ब्रेन सर्जरी. आई वाज लाइक व्हाट. कहते हैं आपका, क्योंकि आपका दिमाग घुटने में ना. मैंने कहा मुक्का. सो व्हाट वाज आई सेइंग? Yeah, it's just so cute and thoughtful, and we got each other flowers, even though like मेरे घर के पास वाली दुकान में फूल वाली बंद हो गई है, वरना मैं घर से लेके जाता हूँ हमेशा. एंड उसके वो भी दूर से आती तो वो नहीं लाती, तो हमने एक साथ ही एक दूसरे के लिए फूल खरीदे. एंड व्हेन दे गिव मी आई वाज लाइक ओह सो सरप्राइज्ड, हो acting as if you just did not buy it in front of me. So it was cute. And what else? Wait, let me just open my notes app, okay? I'll be right back. मतलब मैं यही हूँ. आप बताओ आपका दिन कैसा था? सुन रहा हूँ मैं. आप कुछ बोल क्यों नहीं रहे? सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, बट हाँ, मैंने अपना नोट्स आप खोल दिया. आप मुझे पॉज करके बात कर सकते हो, मतलब अगर मैंने जल्दी, मतलब आपकी बात पूरी नहीं हुई थी, मैंने बीच में बोल दिया, आई एम सॉरी. But yeah, then we were sitting and one kutta came to me and I was petting him, and then he went away to Sanj, and फिर Sanj was petting him, her, them, whatever the gender was for the dog. एक और कुत्ता came, then I was petting him, her, them, I will say them. And then वो दोनों कुत्ते हमारे साथ बैठ गए. ऐसा लगा तो हमारे कुत्ते हैं, हम लाए हैं पर्सनल, मतलब घर लेके जाएंगे उन्हें. करे जा रहे मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ, उसका ऐसे कर रहा हूँ, मैंने हाथ हटाया, वो ऐसे. मैंने कहा अबे 1 सेकंड. फिर मैं उसको वापस ऐसे कर रहा हूँ. हम म्यूजिक गाने सुन रहे थे, मैं फोन से चेंज कर रहा था ना. 2 सेकंड हाथ हटते ही उसके बाद ना ही लाइट डाउन completely, and I was sitting on a chair, so I had to bend down to pet him. तो थोड़ी देर बाद I was tired, so I sat up. My hand obviously went away. He looked up पहले तो कहाँ है. उसके बाद फिर मैंने नहीं दिया हाथ, क्योंकि मैं थक गया था थोड़ा. आई एम सॉरी. मैं उसको आधा घंटा पेट किया हम दोनों ने, ठीक है. देन ही स्टूड अप एंड सैट, एंड देन ही वाज लाइक, आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, अच्छा अब मेरे लेवल पे आ गया, तो मैं कर रहा हूँ. आधा घंटा हम जाते ही नहीं वहाँ से. आई थिंक हम जाते ही नहीं. वो दोनों सोए हैं कुत्ते, एक तो चला गया था, फिर वो मेरे वाला सोया है, उसके बाद हम वहाँ से उठे हैं. वी वर जस्ट लाइक वी आर पेरेंट्स, वी आर लिटरली देयर पेरेंट्स. एंड देन a lot of times me and Sanj kind of made the same joke or said the same line, and I felt so like, wow, we literally have the same brain. I know this is like a joke, oh we have the same brain cell, but like more meaning to it. Like imagine how rare is that? That's not that rare, but unless it's like a bad joke you guys keep making in a deep friendship, like you know that person in fully 10 on 10, 100%. But like we are not 100%. I don't know 100% things about Sanj, she doesn't know 100% things about me. Actually you can't know 100% about anyone, but like in general. So every time we matched I was just like, that's why we're friends. And every time, like, you know, sometimes when you look at a person and you in your head you are like, this person is so cool, and then your friend is like, bro look at that person, they're so cool, and you were already thinking that, like, same, yeah, same to same. And उसके बाद फिर हैंग आउट थोड़ा. Maybe he's texting me. कल पर्सन से जिससे मीटअप करना है, they are texting me. Okay, so I was saying कि उसके बाद then they went back and then I said hey bye bye, text me when you reach at metro station, then text me when you reach at home. Reach at home नहीं होता. So it's just cute. I think मतलब people should not take friendships casually. People should buy each other flowers, not just for the sake of it कि ओए story डालेंगे, because they want to. And people should open doors for each other like normal human beings do, like put an effort with your friendships, I think. And I love friendships. Every time before I go out, every time I'm just like dreading क्योंकि धूप इतनी है, गर्मी इतनी है, ट्रैवल कौन करे, कपड़े नहीं है. 4 टी शर्टें थी, उसके बाद 2 नई आ गई, वही बस यही 2 पहन रहा हूँ. कल इसकी जो दूसरी वाली है वो पहनूंगा, परसों भी ये पहनूंगा. तो मेरे ब्लॉग में यही सेम टी शर्ट्स दिखेंगे. आई एम सॉरी. तो just like every time before I go out, I'm just like and then I meet my friend and I'm like, and then when I come back I'm just like I'm just so grateful and blessed. Imagine having friends, like that's crazy. Imagine having friends that actually love you. That's not very common these days. I've felt like that. But a lot of it is just performative for Instagram. I'm not calling anyone out on this, or in general I'm just saying everything is so performative. Oh, we should get this because I need to post it on Instagram, or we should do this, or we should do that. I just feel like a lot of shit is for the gram, and it's just sad, I think. Also, there are actually a lot of topics. Should I make another video, or should I just talk in this one? Another video tomorrow. I'll post that tomorrow. I'll record that tomorrow, or right now. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm a little bit indecisive. But also अभी मैं बैठा होता, मैं जब रिकॉर्ड करने का सोचा ना, मम्मी पापा उस कमरे में सो रहे हैं, तो मैं जैसे ही रिकॉर्ड करने का सोचा, मैंने कहा वेट, where is my mic? Because like when my mom and dad are asleep and if I disturb them low-key, then they will call me out for not sleeping, so they will make me go to bed. तो इसलिए मेरे को जाना नहीं पसंद उनके कमरे में. तो I was just like shit, my mic is in that room, I'm not recording. But then I was like no, I need to record. So I switched on my ऐसे एकदम flashlight and I was just like मम्मी जग ना जाए भाई, बॉटल कहाँ है मेरी बॉटल, सॉरी माइक कहाँ है मेरा माइक कहाँ है. I'm sorry for calling you bottle, you are not, you're my mic. Yes. So then I got my mic. And that's how I recorded this YouTube video. I love you guys. I hope you had a good day, and I'm proud of you. Please subscribe. Please subscribe if you are proud of me. Are you proud of me? If you are, can you subscribe? If you are not also, can you subscribe still? Just subscribe, man. Just subscribe. Okay. Like, share, comment also. Like, share, comment. See you guys in the next video. Who says that? I don't say that in my vlog. Why did I? अब मुझे हर vlog में कहना पड़ेगा नहीं. This was a one-time ritual. I'm not gonna say see you next time in the video, because the future is unpredictable. What if I stop making videos? I'm joking. Sorry bhai, sorry yaar. Mazak. Joke. People can joke about other things, but I can't joke about stop. Wow, मेरा joke खराब हो गया. Sorry यार. Bye.